Okay guys, so here we are again. As you can see here, the market, we did a trade here. Market hasn't opened yet, so we did a long here, so we got the complete full trade with $300, and we entered here. Market just opened and it flip around, and I thought it was gonna go up, so I just tightened the stop, so didn't win this one. Then we got this signal here. The market didn't pick it up, didn't retrace. We got into this one. It did retrace, and we got out here. I think so. Here is target one. Another 300. Then it got another signal, so it retraced and stopped out. I didn't like this trade. Then we got two losers. We shorted here, we got out losing. We bought here and from this signal, and bounced back with lose this one. So when the market started to trend, we got into this one and we got all the way over here. It was as you can see, the last trade is 425. Okay, so for me it's 595 for today. It's $600. It's more than enough. Okay, so I was talking about the consolidations yesterday about these areas. So these areas are not good for us to trade. So I will be adding a filter and developing the other strategy that is gonna be trading this area. So you can be trading two strategies. Of course, you need to have another instrument side by side, because you will need the market plus to make the trade. So you will need that. Let's see over here. This consolidations here. This is very difficult to trade. Sometimes this one's a little bit bigger, but yesterday they were so tight that you can do X amount of trades and you will be stopped out because the algos are manipulating the market. So I exited here right now because I saw the brick walls. These are limit orders. Over here there's limit orders down here too. So you see down here, up here, it's limit order. So this is a guy stopping the market. So you see the brick walls, the market turns down. Over here it turned up. Over here stopped right now, stopped to the tick. So you gotta be aware of all those things. So like I said before, you need to for me, I did here $500. So I was gonna stop there, but I need to continue because I need to show you how this system works really. So we'll need your support with this, guys, because it's a lot of work, developing all this stuff for a fraction of price. And I will really be developing the second auto trader that will trade like I said before, the consolidations. So it's a very interesting, very interesting. I think this will be for this year the best things that we have developed. And so it's a closed circle. So I know you will be taking advantage of this if you are struggling because you're entering manual trading. Manual trading, it's not working anymore. So you need to have an algo that can place the trades for you. So it can read the consolidations, it can read the volume detection, basket trading and all that. So this will be a great system. You can train your kids how to trade in a sim environment and everything. So they won't have bad habits, because when you enter randomly at the market, there are days that you're gonna win, but there's gonna be one day or 2 days that you're gonna be toasted, because that's what that's what the market do. There's 1 or 2 days of that week that you're gonna be trading fine, but there's gonna be 1 or 2 days that the market will crush you because you will be trading empty bars. What are empty bars? When the market moves up and down too quickly. So those are bars with 50, 80 lots of volume. So there's no trading there. The computer will pick up that and say, hey, I don't have a signal here because the market is empty. But if you do manually, you're gonna be clicking, trying to get into the market, and you're gonna get all whipped out. So the algo way is the way to go, guys. Okay, so I will be sending more updates. Okay, guys. So keep you updating and see how it goes.
Volume. Stop volume. Stop volume.
Like you see here, for example, the market was absorbed in these areas. These are stopping volume over here. You see? All the buyers were absorbed. You would have entered here, would have been stopped out.
Stop volume.
You see, it's better to let the computer do the heavy lifting. Let's see what. Of course, they're trying.
Stop
you see all
volume.
this load of buyers over here right now, trying to push it to the upside. Somebody told me, why? How do you know when the market can go trending up or something? See all these blue marks here. Blue marks. They happen in the lower part of the market, so this means this accumulation to the upside. You know. You see this one here. You see this one here. There's buyers trying to push the market. This is almost 100% of the tape writing buyers. So it's buyers. You know, buyers over here too. See, buyers, buyers, buyers. You know, they got the pockets. They don't care if the market goes down. They don't care because they can support all that money that they keep accumulating. They can trade 1,000 lots. You know, we don't. We just trade one. These guys trade 1,000 lots in baskets. You know, so they keep buying. They got lots of money. So you need to understand that this indicator just gives you a lot of information. So you know, it's you need to understand what it plots. You know, it's okay to be stopped out, but at least you followed your plan. Okay, so it's you get more. It's more annoying. It's a lot of frustration when you get stopped out and you knew there was nothing there to trade. So if you follow your plan, you're gonna be okay. Okay, just this is a trading plan. You know, this is what I'm selling you is a trading plan. So you need to respect the rules. Okay, so if there's nothing to trade, don't trade it. Don't trade it. Maybe you can, you know, randomly say, "Oh, I could have entered. Oh, I won. I could have won." But you know, if you follow your plan, you're gonna be consistent. You're gonna win. You're gonna win consistently, day in, day out. You know, that's the main goal over here. Be consistent with your winnings. It doesn't matter if the market leaves without you. It's not your fault. You place the limit order. If the order wasn't filled, oh, it's okay. It's okay. The market. You know, like yesterday, the market was consolidating very ugly, and you know, before lunch, you saw the market just tank. You know, and then when I exited the trade, I got another one to the upside and made 500 more. So, you know, the market always does what it's got to do, but you don't need to be reading all that. Just let the computer put you the signals. Okay, if you don't want to automate, you can read the signals and follow your plan. Okay, so that is the main goal here. Okay, guys, so I gotta go. So done for the day. So thank you very much, guys. I would like to hear you guys. Anything that you want to know or something, just send me an email. I have a lot of requests. Thank you for all those guys that are very interested in this, and I will keep developing, guys. We're gonna keep developing. I think we're gonna make it this year. Okay, so we can have a better life. I hope so, for me and for everyone. Okay, guys, gotta go.
Stop volume.